In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add carousel in Framer. First, open your project in Framer and navigate to the page or section where you want the carousel to live. With the canvas visible, head to the Insert menu to bring up the Components panel. If you don't see it right away, click Insert again so the panel stays open on the side. Inside the panel, look for the Interactive category. This is where Framer groups dynamic elements like sliders and carousels. Click Interactive to reveal the options, then choose the highlighted carousel component and place it on your canvas. You can drop it directly into an existing section or container to keep your layout organized. After placing it, check its position settings in the right panel. If the carousel appears as absolute, it's positioned independently of the layout flow. Click Absolute to switch it, then select Relative so it flows with surrounding content. This usually makes responsiveness easier. If you later need it to sit on top of other elements, you can always toggle back to Absolute. With it selected, use the highlighted resize handles or width controls to match your desired layout. Make it as wide as your grid or keep it constrained within a card, whatever fits your design. Next, open the Items control. If it shows 0 items, click it to start adding your slides. Add as many items as you need. Each item can hold images, text, or even nested frames, so you can showcase products, testimonials, or case studies. Keep your content consistent in size for a smoother experience. Now fine-tune the carousel using the highlighted controls in the Properties panel. Adjust spacing so there's a comfortable gap between slides. Tweak alignment to center content and ensure it feels balanced. If you see options for snapping or scroll behavior, choose the mode that best matches your design system. Use the highlighted toggles to show or hide navigation elements like arrows or dots, and set the visibility so they look good on both light and dark backgrounds. As you make changes, preview on different breakpoints to confirm it scales cleanly on mobile and desktop. When your items and styling look right, give everything a quick once-over. Confirm images are optimized, add descriptive alt text where applicable, and make sure focus states are clear for accessibility. Finally,